Very good afternoon, class 7 students. So we were doing chapter number 2, fractions and decimals, in which we are learning how to multiply the fractions, right? So in exercise 2.2 we have already finished. We are going to start exercise 2.3. It is also the same as exercise 2.2. In multiplication of fractions, you just need to have the knowledge of cutting or reducing it in the lowest terms, right? So today whatever we are going to study, kindly do it very carefully because this is the last exercise. After that we are going to start with the new topic. Okay, after the video I will send you the link of the online quiz. It is a very short quiz. Okay, that online quiz I have just sent so that you can get to know how much you have understood. Okay, so kindly attempt the quiz and send me the screenshot how much you have scored in that. It will be very interesting and plus knowledgeable also. Okay, so practice hard for the multiplication of decimals and fraction. Then we'll switch off to the next topic. Thank you so much.
Class 7, this is exercise 2.3, question number 1, which is find 1 by 7 of this A, B and C. So you have to multiply 1 by 7 with A, B and as well as C. So see, I have written 1 by 7 into 2 by 9. As you can see, there is no cutting possible. So I just multiply numerator and denominator with denominator. Right? See the second one. In this also there is no cutting possible. 1 and 5 cannot cut, 6 and 7 cannot cut, 6 and 5 cannot cut, right? So we just normally multiply and 7 5s are 35. Here also cutting is not possible. 1 into 3 3, 7 10s are 70, right? In question number 2, the question is multiply and reduce to the lowest term. Lowest term means wherever the cutting is possible you have to do. Wherever it is not possible you can leave. So here you can see the cutting is possible. 3 1s are 3 5s are. Okay, you can do like this, or 1 15 the 15 and 3 8 the 24. Here also you can cut. 3 5s are and 3 8s are. So final answer is 5 upon 8. Here no cutting is possible, right? So what we have to do? So class, as you can see here also the cutting was not possible. So I simply multiply 11 into 3 33 and 2 into 10 would be 20. Here cutting is not possible. So 12 4s are 48 and 5 7s are 35. Cutting is still not possible. Okay. So the cutting is not possible. There you can leave the questions. But yes, they all are improper fractions. So you have to convert it into mixed form. Mixed form I already explained yesterday. How to convert by dividing. Yes. Next our question is multiply the fractions, in which 5 by 6 and this first mixed fraction you will solve normally. Right. 17 5s are 85 and 6 7s are 42. Okay. And this 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17 upon 5 and this 4 by 7 you will normally multiply. 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13 upon 5 into 3. How we will do? Cutting is not possible. So 13 3s are 39 and 5 1s are 5. Right? But here also you have to convert it into mixed form. These part I am leaving because this I am giving you as homework. Okay. The next question number 4, you have to tell which is greater, this one or this one. So I have made the column in between. As you can see, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 3 upon 7. 3 and 3 would be cancelled and it is 2 upon 7. So 3 upon 7 is the bigger one. You can see which one is greater, 3 upon 7. Yes. This is your homework part today's class, which we have not covered in the class. Kindly practice it, otherwise you will not be able to understand whatever we have done in this class. Okay.